This in-depth analysis delves into the phone's strengths, considerations, and who might benefit most from this feature-packed device. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a breathtaking 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. This expansive canvas elevates multimedia experiences like watching movies, playing games, and browsing the web. The marquee edition is the 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth scrolling and animations for an undeniably premium feel, while the overall design retains the familiar silhouette of its predecessor. The most notable change is the dynamic island replacing the notch. The iPhone 14 Pro Max wields the powerful A16 Bionic chip, offering a marginal performance boost over the A15 Bionic found in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. In everyday use, most users might not perceive a significant difference in application performance. However, the A16 Bionic caters to power users who constantly push their phones to the limit, and it future-proofs the device for demanding tasks that may emerge in the future. A compelling upgrade. Photography enthusiasts will rejoice at the significant camera upgrade in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The main sensor receives a significant bump to a 48-megapixel unit, capturing exceptional detail in well-lit environments. The user has also the flexibility to choose between standard 12-megapixel mode for better low-light performance or leverage the full 48-megapixel resolution for maximum detail and ideal lighting conditions. The ultra, wide, and telephoto cameras remain unchanged from the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but they continue to deliver excellent results. The front-facing camera also receives a welcome upgrade with autofocus and optical image stabilization, resulting in sharper selfies and improved video calls. The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes pre-installed with iOS 16, offering a plethora of exciting features and refinements. The extensive customization options for the lock screen allows users to personalize it with widgets and a dynamic clock. Messaging receives an overhaul, introducing features like message editing and recalling sent messages. The emergency SOS via satellite allows users to send distress messages even in remote areas without cellular service, potentially a life-saving innovation. Battery life remains dependable on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to Apple, it can last a full day for most users with moderate usage. While not a groundbreaking improvement over the previous model, it ensures you can confidently get through your day without scrambling for a charger. Ultimately, the iPhone 14 Pro Max reigns supreme as a premium flagship phone, offering a combination of cutting-edge technology, a refined user experience, and the potential for stunning visuals.